Me and the old Peavey. Been running this thing a lot lately. Got this little Esquire that I've put together. Has some parts that I've bought. Got some Wilkinson tuners on it. They're supposed to be like fender tuners. This neck, I believe it's a Squier neck, but I'm not 100% sure. I finished it with, is it tung oil or teak oil? Teak oil is what I finished it with. It darkened it up just a little bit, and it's got a real satin finish to it. And this body is just a slab. It's not a string through. Couldn't find a name on it, but it does have a Wilkinson bridge on it. It's got a DiMarzio flat pole style pickup in it. 250K CTS pots, orange drop cap, electro socket. Everything's good stuff. It had the black bridge, the control plate, and the knob, so I just went with it and got the black tuners and the black string tree just to complement it. It's coming together. It's decent. It's not perfect, but what is in this day and age.